Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will learn how to upload videos on YouTube. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I have created a new fresh YouTube channel. Let's upload first video in it. Click on your account in top right corner, then click on your channel. Click the Create button in the top right corner and select Upload Video from the drop-down menu. Or you can click on Upload Files button in the middle of screen to upload videos as well. Locate the video file on your computer and select it. You can also drag and drop the video into the upload window. While the video is uploading, you can start adding information. Title: enter a descriptive title for your video. Make it relevant and engaging. Description: write a detailed description of your video. Include keywords and relevant information about the content. Thumbnail: you can select a custom thumbnail for your video. YouTube will also suggest auto-generated thumbnails. Tags: add relevant keywords that describe your video. These help with discoverability. Privacy: set your video to public, visible to everyone, unlisted, only those with the link can view, or private, only you can view. Schedule: if you want to publish the video at a specific date and time, use this option. Category: choose a category that best fits your video. Language and caption certification: set the video's primary language and add captions if necessary. Video elements: add in screens, cards, and other interactive elements if desired. After you've filled out all the necessary information, click the Next button at the bottom of the page. Uploading will take time according to the length of your video. I am pausing the recording. We'll resume when uploading is completed. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Your video is now uploaded to YouTube and ready for viewing by your audience. Remember that it may take some time for YouTube to process the video and make it available in high resolutions. You can track the progress in YouTube Studio. You can edit the title, description, tags, thumbnails and all other details by clicking on the pencil icon displaying under the title of video. Few options are disabled for this channel because verification is pending. You can now follow the same steps to upload videos on your YouTube channel, as many as you can. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, thought or feedback, please share them in the comment section.